If you've been waiting for a true leap in 360 camera technology, your patience might finally be rewarded. The new Insta360 X5 has arrived, bringing major upgrades that could be a game changer for content creators, vloggers, and anyone serious about immersive video. In this review, we'll break down everything you need to know from image quality and stabilization to battery life and overall usability. By the end, you'll know if the X5 is the upgrade you've been hoping for. Before we dive into the new features, it's important to understand where the X5 comes from. Previous models like the Insta360 X3 were fun and easy to use but had notable limitations. Image quality, for example, often left something to be desired, with soft edges and poor low-light performance that made nighttime footage grainy and blurry. Stabilization was decent but not perfect. Getting smooth footage often required extra gear like a gimbal. Battery life was another pain point, especially when using features like GPS tracking or live streaming. Users frequently found themselves carrying extra batteries just to make it through the day. Waterproofing was also limited, making the X3 a risky companion for outdoor adventures in unpredictable weather. The X5 directly addresses these frustrations. It features a brand new sensor and upgraded lenses, delivering sharper images, richer colors, and far better performance in low-light conditions. Those soft edges, gone. Nighttime grain, vastly improved. Stabilization has also received a serious upgrade thanks to better gyroscopes and more advanced algorithms, meaning you can shoot steady footage even while moving quickly. No gimbal needed. Battery life is another area where the X5 shines. It can easily last through longer shoots, even with power-hungry features like GPS or high bitrate recording enabled. And when you do need to recharge, it's faster and more efficient. On top of that, waterproofing has been improved significantly. Whether you're hiking in the rain, surfing, or filming in snow, the X5 is built to handle the elements without needing a bulky external case. Stitching, the process of blending footage from both lenses, has also been refined. With older 360 cameras, stitching lines were often visible and distracting. But the X5 uses advanced new algorithms that create smooth, seamless video, eliminating the need for heavy editing in post-production. This means you can spend less time fixing footage and more time creating. The user experience has also been upgraded. The X5 features a more responsive and intuitive touchscreen interface, making it easy to adjust settings quickly. The companion mobile app has been overhauled too, offering faster file transfers, smoother camera monitoring, and easier control of advanced settings. Voice control is now available as well, allowing you to operate basic functions without touching the camera, perfect for action shots or busy setups. Of course, one of the most exciting new features is the ability to shoot full 360 video at an impressive 8000 resolution. In 360 video, every bit of detail matters because you're capturing an entire environment, not just a single frame. Higher resolution means sharper skies, clearer faces, more readable signs, and more lifelike surroundings. Even if you crop the footage for traditional videos, 8K ensures you maintain high quality. This is a major step up from the 5.7K and 6K resolutions offered by older models. In real-world use, the 8K capability makes a dramatic difference. VR content feels more immersive, videos posted to social media appear sharper and more professional, and footage for brands or clients looks great even on large displays or VR headsets. The jump to 8K isn't just about bigger numbers, it genuinely expands what's possible for 360 content creators. The Insta360 X5 is designed for everyone, beginners and professionals alike. It's powerful enough for serious filmmaking and media projects, but accessible enough for first-time users who just want amazing travel vlogs or action footage. Whether you're an athlete, a traveler, a vlogger, or a professional filmmaker, the X5 delivers the tools needed to capture incredible content with ease. Compared to both previous models and competitors, the X5 stands out with its better image sharpness, stronger low-light performance, built-in rock-solid stabilization, true 8K recording, seamless stitching, faster up workflow, and more user-friendly controls. It's a complete package that corrects the frustrations users had with earlier 360 cameras. So, is the Insta360 X5 worth it? If you want better image quality, smoother stabilization, longer battery life, enhanced durability, and cutting-edge 8K video? The answer is a definite yes. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a major leap forward. Whether you're creating immersive content, capturing wild adventures, or simply wanting to level up your social media game, the X5 is a smart investment. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you have any questions about the X5, feel free to drop a comment. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the best gear for creators. Keep creating, and see you in the next one.